How's it going, Jasmine people? Oh, okay, I did not want to do that. So yesterday I traded this. I day traded it. I got out too early, and then I realized the pump wasn't over, so I got back in. I eventually sold at 285. So just a little bit higher than where we are now. But here's the thing: I made a few $1,000 on it. Some of it I took to the bank. You have to take profits when you are trading, or it's not. You can't do it as a career or whatever. But anyways, let's look at where we're headed on JASMY. I think there's going to be short-term resistance at 3 cents, but obviously you're making a higher low and a higher high here. Um, and so the trend is clearly up. I'm going to delete these trend lines because they're old. So you can see the trend's up. I'm done drawing trend lines because it's kind of I just don't like doing it. But I don't know why that keeps moving. That's annoying. So as of right now, this is kind of where you're at. So from that last high, your 236 fib, I believe, is currently at $2.02. I mean, 2.47 cents, and it's looking like the 382 fib. If you lose that, would be at 2.2 cents. To the upside, if you make a new recent high, you'd be looking at 3.37 cents. So that's kind of what's on the table for JASMY. Let's go over to the MACD and see how that's looking. I'll start here on the 1-hour chart, and we'll move our way up. 1-hour chart is still having bullish momentum on the MACD, or bullish divergence. That's what I should say. The 4-hour chart, no, there's nothing bullish there. The 6-hour chart has some bullish divergence. I would say the bullish divergence started here and is slowly going up. But you just made a lower low on the MACD, so I take that back. There's nothing bullish there. The 12-hour chart still has bullish divergence on the MACD, making higher lows on the MACD, and then you're rallying right now. The daily chart on the MACD, same thing, bullish divergence, and the 3-day chart has bullish divergence. Daily chart definitely does. 3-day chart actually might not have enough data, but it looks like there's a little bullish divergence there as well. So let's look at now the RSI and see how that's looking, because if you guys are looking to get into a trade, you want to do it when we're not overbought. So let me start on the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart RSI is almost at overbought. The 4-hour chart is very much overbought, and the 6-hour chart is overbought at 83. The 12-hour chart is so probably not the best time to get into JASMY is what I'm concluding, even with the bullish momentum right now on the MACD. The RSI on the 12-hour chart is 77. The daily chart on the MACD is just skyrocketing, but right now it's at 62 or 63, and the 3-day chart has a lot of room to go. But everything below the 3-day chart is almost overbought or very much overbought, and the 3-day chart is at 40. So maybe the 15-minute or something like that would be, but even the 15 minutes at 60. So 1 hour to daily is pretty much overbought. So I do think you consolidate down. Like I said, the targets to look out for now on JASMY would be 2.4 cents. That's actually a really strong support, as well as a fib level. So if you don't hold that, that's really bearish. But I would expect 2.4 to be the bottom for a higher low. But like I said, if you don't hold that, that's really bearish, because you'd be losing not only a fib level, but you'll also be losing support at that 2.4 level. I guess the fibs at 2.48 and the supports at 2.4. So you can't lose the support, which is right here at 2.4. If you lose 2.4, that's extremely bearish. So that's what I'm looking for JASMY. And 2.4 would be a great area of value for me to get back into a trade on JASMY. But as of right now, I think for at least for the next few hours, it needs to cool off. So with that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you like and subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you guys in the next update.